And here they are, the Desmosedici GP bikes in the 2021 livery. There's a lot of red. We wanted to emphasize the official color of Ducati, and there's the dominant presence of our title partner, Lenovo. There are also the new numbers, those of Australian rider Jack Miller and the very Italian Pecco Bagnaia. Both riders have grown up with us in our teams, so they already have the right sort of experience to get the best out of the factory Desmosedici bikes. And we've decided to continue with this policy, which is close to our hearts, in 2021. In fact, we have 3 young talents from Moto2 that will grow in our Motogp teams. And now we're ready to see all the protagonists of the Ducati Lenovo team.
On the red one.
As you've seen, the Ducati Lenovo team is ready. Forza Jack, Forza Pecco. The first race is on March the 28th in Qatar. Thanks to everyone for following us. And as always, Forza Ducati!